Hey guys, so Xiaomi recently announced the Redmi K30 Ultra last month with amazing specifications at killer price in China, but now Redmi's general manager reveals that they are gonna announce a new device with 5nm CPU inside the phone next year. And according to a Chinese leaker, it will be named as Redmi K40 Pro, which will be successor to the existing Redmi K30 Pro. He also says that this device will most likely be powered by upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 flagship CPU based on 5nm process, which is not yet ready for commercial use but will launch by the end of this year or in the first month of 2021. By the way, Apple has also launched the 4th generation iPad Air 2020 with latest Bionic A14 chip based on 5nm process, and Ice Universe says that this Snapdragon 875 CPU will be more powerful and faster in speed than the Apple's A14 chipset. Now coming back to the Redmi K40 Pro, it will have large screen size as compared to 6.67 inches on the Redmi K30 Pro and will retain full view display with pop-up selfie camera. Leaker has mentioned that the phone will have high megapixel camera, means Samsung's newly launched 108 megapixel HM2 sensor with better quality images and high speed fast charging technology as well. The standard Redmi K40 will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 775 mid-range processor, and both of the handsets will launch early next year after the launch of Xiaomi Mi 11 series or Xiaomi's first under-display camera phone. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section about the upcoming Redmi K40 Pro, and if you end up liking this video then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.